Everybody needs to mind a password. And it's very likely you need more of them for social networks, mail accounts, web pages, firewalls, your favorite web shop, office or school. You could use a password manager or storage room. Storage room from tool4u.net exceeds the usability of a simple password manager by far. Instead of using just one tree of passwords, you can create any amount of table grid sheets with edit-able structure and layout, so you can design sheets for passwords, license serial, credit card details, or any other private information. Moreover, Storage Room provides different sheets to store specific information more efficient. You can create notepad sheets to store any text you need to mind more secure, like a diary, a draft, or a private note. Create calendars to store any of your dates, and if you wish, Storage Room will remind you about them. Append a sheet to manage all your contacts. You can handle multiple details like mail, phone, fax, postal address and web pages. Add a bookmark list to mind any important bookmark and automate your Internet Explorer. Now you can do most of these things with any Office tool as well. So let's take a look at the real advantages of Storage Room and how it will massively improve your privacy. The complete content of Storage Room will be stored in a single database, 256-bit AES encrypted. The resulting data stream will further be encrypted by two of over 400 unique encrypting algorithms selected conditional on your password. You can choose to encrypt the database a second time using a file instead of a password. This will cause to double the algorithm count used on your database before stored on your hard drive. But your private information is not only secured while stored on a hard drive. If the database was unlocked and loaded into memory, any datasheet will relay encrypted until they are open to be viewed or edited. In other words, each sheet is separately protected by 256-bit AES and two of over 400 unique encrypting algorithms in both memory and database. Moreover, you can decide to sublock and protect each sheet with an extra password. If you do so, you will need to provide the password and the optional selected file to view or edit this sheet. So the data will be up to 3 times encrypted in memory and even up to 5 times on hard disk if you choose to use both a password and a protection file. Beyond that, you can even protect the complete folder structure by turning a folder into a safe. As long as the safe is open, it will serve you as a folder. But as soon as you collapse it in your tree view, it will lock the complete content with the previous described algorithm, and it will unlock only if you provide the password and the optional chosen file. You can cascade these protected folders and sheets as often and as deep as you wish. But that's not where your privacy ends. Let's take a look on a table grid sheet. You can freely design the table layout using the Design tab sheet. Here, you find the check button, column, protection. Every protected column will store the data encrypted in memory anytime, even while you edit or display them. If you want to see the content, you need to move the cursor over the cell, and the encrypted value will render itself in a secured way into a hint window. Below, you will see a list of history entries this cell had formerly. This is to mind old password in the case any password update fails somehow. Configure the history list size on the Option tab sheet. The chosen size will appear the next time you change a value. Due to security reasons, you can't copy the content of a protected column to clipboard in order to paste it into another field or application. But Storage Room introduces a new, more secure transfer solution. On the Start tab sheet, you will find a section called Virtual Input. You can transfer any value to any field or application by selecting the desired destination, switching back to storage room, selecting the cells to transfer, and press one of the virtual input buttons. Storage room will now transfer the selected cells as secure as possible to the previous highlighted application. In between cells, storage room will send a tabulator, and in between rows an enter keystroke. This conducts us to the tools storage room comes with. One of them is a virtual keyboard. Unlike most virtual keyboards, storage room provides a wide list of over 130 keyboard layouts for countries and regions around the world. You simply select in a drop-down box. This will ease up your life a lot if you need some special character or you variantly use two languages like English and Russian. You can pick a font type of your choice as well and store any configuration in one of the 4 fast switch buttons to recover them on demand. Every single character in the virtual keyboard is stored strongly encrypted in memory, and in order to secure the displayed character from being spied by another application, you can increase the painting security level to meet your privacy concerns. The virtual keyboard will transfer any character with the same algorithm as the virtual input does. In between third-party applications, the transfer will be as secure as somehow possible, but used in combination with storage room datasheets, especially with any password field or protected column, the transfer will be high secure and from a current point of technology, intraceable. The second tool to introduce is the password generator, which will, regarding to your settings, produce the safest possible password. You can configure the character set the new password should or could contain, the maximum permissible reuse of any character, and the desired length. As usual, the password generator stores the new generated value strongly encrypted in memory, and you can use the virtual input to transfer it to any desired destination. Storage room provides a quick start window that shows up after you right-click the storage room icon in the taskbar notification area. You can drag and drop a link of any node sheet on the quick start window and open that node just by left-click. Use the contact sheets and aliases to create file and message container for secure data exchange with your friends or business partners. Sign and encrypt these containers with up to 16,384 bits from RESK pairs. If you use Skype and you have installed it on your system, you can call any phone number stored in any contact sheet by Skype with a simple left click. Use bookmark datasheets to store the location of your Internet Explorer. Create new bookmarks by drag and drop. Open a bookmark with the Learn button and teach storage room in combination with your Internet Explorer any of your actions to automate and secure any recurring input. Customize storage room to fit your taste. Create icons for your datasheets. Change the background image. And select from over 30 unique window skin styles. Find out more yourself. Download your trial of storage room today from www.toolforyou.net.